Splash, splash, here we go.
Down beneath the waves below.
Ocean friends are waiting too.
Come explore the ocean blue.
Dolphin jumping way up high.
Splashing water to the sky.
Swish, swish, swish goes happy tail.
Racing quickly past the sail.
Sea turtle swims to ocean's flows.
Flappy flippers go nice and slow.
Gliding gently through the sea.
Happy as can ever be.
Big gray shark swims left and right.
Through the water, out of sight.
Swishy tail goes side to side.
Cruising on an ocean ride. Under the ocean, deep and blue.
Lots of sea animals waiting for you.
Swim and splash and wiggle around.
Happy ocean friends we've found.
Octopus wiggles all 8 arms.
Dancing with its ocean charms.
Squirts its ink and swims away.
Playing games beneath the bay.
Little crab goes side to side.
Scuttling by the ocean tide.
Click, click, claws and tiny feet.
Walking down the sandy beach.
Big blue whale goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Making waves with giant swoosh.
Spraying water way up high.
Ocean giant floating by.
Colorful fish feeding by the corals.
Across the seabed with the clams and mussels.
Tiny bubbles floating free.
Dancing in the deep blue sea. Under the ocean, deep and blue.
Sea animal friends wave to you.
Splash and swim and clap along.
Ocean friends sing this happy song.